Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Cozy Christopher. I'm so excited to announce that I'm going to be launching a brand new shop called Refreshingly Cozy Christopher. Now, my wife and I have owned a business for the last 4 years. All of the sweatshirts, for the most part, that you see me wear on my channel, sweatshirts, shorts, shirts, Cozy Christopher Gaming, Mansa Musa, etc. Thank you so much to HTVRont for sponsoring today's video, as they have sent out one of their brand new automatic heat presses to sponsor this video. Now, this is the first automatic heat press, and I'm going to go over what the differences are, but let's get it unboxed so you can see what it is, and we'll talk a little bit more about the shop as well as what this is as we go through the video. So this is a pretty simple unboxing. Inside the box here you have your quick start guide or your manual there to tell you how to use it. So this is super simple and easy. Now, this is not common that you're going to be standing behind your press like this, but just for illustrative purposes, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. So right here you have your power button, temperature button, your time, your modes, your custom button, the automatic button. This turns on the automatic feature, meaning that when you slide the heating element back inside, it automatically clamps down. Or you can turn automatic mode off, and you're going to use this start button here to make it go down and make it come up. So right now I have it in regular, and so if you see here, I'll go ahead and push the button. It's going to automatically make that heating element go down. Hit that button again, it's going to come back up. Now this is saving, I mean, my wife, she has one and she's cranking the mess out of it, and it's not good. But on the automatic variety, if you turn on the automatic button here, you're going to pull out the element. And again, I'm trying to be careful because you don't want to be around the heating element. Of course, you don't want to touch it with your fingers and stuff like that and potentially burn yourself. So as soon as you set that in there, it's going to automatically go down if you have it set to automatic. Now, let's go ahead and get this into the office where we actually create the gear, and so we can see this in practice. We noticed right away that the HTVRont auto heat press is much faster heating up than our old press. Now, we didn't time it because this will vary based on what you have at home, but in our case it was basically almost twice as fast as the old one. Before we get deeper into the press, let's talk about our current business. So my wife and I have owned a Cozy Life, which is customized apparel. We sell all types of customized gear. Now, of course, my wife caters to a certain type of clientele, but as you can see, you're going to see my gear in there. Stay cozy. Shirts that you've seen me wear all throughout over YouTube over the last 2.5 to 3 years, but wanted to make sure you all saw that we are not brand new to this. We have been doing this for a while, and my wife is really great at it, and it's all custom handmade gear. The number one reason we wanted to get into the automatic heating press is because the process for using the old style is very, very cumbersome. Not only is it cumbersome, it takes a lot of physical work with the handle, because believe it or not, there's a lot of pressure there to push down onto the clothing, and that can wear on your body over time. Not to mention, it can give you an uneven heat to the garment. To oversimplify the process for making a custom shirt, my wife creates the design and then selects it in her Cricut software. She selects the design, puts it into the Cricut for the Cricut to cut it, and then it cuts the design into the vinyl, or she uses a DTF or other versions. Not to be too complicated, but once she decides which one she's going to use, she adds it to the garment. She measures it to make sure it fits exactly right where it's supposed to be. And this is where the new HTVRont comes in. She's going to slide it in there. It's going to heat it and add that to the garment itself. She typically will run it one more time just to make sure it stays and lasts. And there you go. HTV stands for Heat Transfer Vinyl, and HTVRont is a specialist in this space. Now, they've been in business for about 5 years and is a global company that is operating in 4 major epicenters across the world. Now, if here's the website, and I'm going to put the link in the description below, go to the website and take a look at what they have. They have a lot of very affordable materials, different types of vinyls, as well as 4 different machines that you can use to run or manage your business. Now, also when you go down to the website, you can separate it by the actual machine that you're using, whether it's the Cricut or the Silhouette, and then the type of machine that you have between the two. Now, we have a Cricut maker and we're using Cricut, of course, so here are the vinyls that are good for that particular machine, so they make it easy for you to purchase from their website. Again, I will put the link in the description below. Go ahead and take a look at it for all of your HTV needs. Thank you again to HTVRont for sponsoring today's video. I will put the links in the descriptions below for the Etsy shop that we have, A Cozy Life, as well as HTVRont website, as well as the new Refreshingly Cozy Christopher shop on Shopify, putting it on Shopify to make it easier for you all to purchase, and then eventually to add it to my YouTube at the bottom of each video. Let me know any questions you may have in the comment section below. I'm hoping that this expansion is going to help me continue to create great content by giving me a little more capital to be able to buy some products and things like that, to do some reviews on some of the newer, bigger ticket items that are coming out. But as always, I'm looking forward to the comments in the comment section below. Stay cozy in that crazy world, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.